Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker in your phone, SAMSUNG Galaxy S22 Plus. For this we need a brush, one with stiffer bristles, a specialized one. You can buy it in a set like this on Allegro, Amazon, AliExpress, etc. If you don't have one, just use a regular toothbrush with medium or soft bristles. And in addition, we also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so that after cleaning, it evaporates for us. And so it doesn't cause any short circuits or make anything rust anywhere, or clog up any other additional parts. So it's very important to have this alcohol. And a good quality toothbrush, thoroughly soak the toothbrush with alcohol, so that it's wet, really nice and wet. Of course, the phone must be turned off. With the phone turned off, we clean the buzzer in one direction, for example, downwards, about 10 times through all these holes, because the buzzer is actually these holes here, so 10 times in one direction, then 10 times in the other direction, then down and up, also 10 times each way, so that all the dust comes out of these holes, and the buzzer works very loudly and properly, so we can hear it without any problems. Women tend to have the most problems with this in this context, because when they use powders or similar products, those powders get into the holes and gaps and clog them up. But exactly the same situation happens with men. When they use skincare creams or other related grooming products, they often encounter the very same problem. So as I mentioned before, repeat this slowly a few times in each direction, for about 10 times each way. And that's all there is to it. We put the phone aside and leave it for about 10 minutes, so that the alcohol can evaporate from the phone, making sure there are no residues left. We don't turn the phone on yet, and this way we'll have a fully functioning phone. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.